$1,100 in just 4 days. Just I am investing $100 in ETF, and I made in 4 days more than $1,000. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Maximalist Investor here. Today we are talking about the ETFs. As you have seen title, how to make $1,000 by investing $100 on KuCoin. I will show you how I made $1,000 in 4 days by investing in ETFs. I have made the real-time analysis, so stay tuned. I will share the real-time analysis with you. So let's start with the basic. What does ETF stand for? ETF stand for Exchange Trade Funds. What is actually ETF? An exchange trade fund is a collective investment which vehicle with shares that trade on stock exchanges and a market determined price. ETF is actually exchange trade funds. Actually these tokens are trading by the exchange. We are talking about the crypto ETFs, not we are talking about the stock or any other ETFs. If we see the cash invested in ETFs yearly trend, we can see in 2004 trend was very low. It is going parabolic. You can see 2006, 2008, 2010, and after the 2010 trend is going upward continuously. In 2020 more than $7.74 billion are invested in the ETFs. It is sourced by the Investopedia. Remember one thing guys, all the information is just for the information purpose. Do your own research before investing. Let's jump to the analysis, and I will show you how I made $1,000 by investing $100 in the ETFs. Actually the trend is your friend, and you know metaverse hype is booming, so I have invested in the metaverse top coin sand 3L on the KuCoin. Let me show you. So you can see make $1,000 with investing $100 in ETF. As you can see on the right side, I have shared the sand 3L screenshot as well. My basic investment amount was $100, and on the day I bought this on 20th of the November, and the current price was $24. So if you can see, when I am buying $100, so I got 4.16 ETFs of sand 3L. The very next day on the 21, the price jumps to the $24 to $42. So if you can see, we can multiply 4.16 with $42. The total amount is $175, and if we negative the original amount, so my profit was on the first day was $75. On the next day 22 of the November, the sand 3L price jumped to the $60. You can see on the right side of the chart. If we multiply the total ETF with the current price, the total amount is $250, and if we negative the investing amount, on the second day my profit was $150. Remember one thing, I am doing this trade on the KuCoin ETF, so you can also check the same chart in last 4 days, and you will see that is real-time analysis. I am not just talking about it. On the third day, the sand 3L jumped to $125, and if we multiply the current price with the 4.16, the total amount will be $520, and my investment was $100. So total profit on the third day was $421. And the fourth day, the price jumped to the $150. At this time I am recording the video, and price is jumped to over $160, but I am doing this on $150. 4 multiplied by $150, the total amount is $625. So we are just calculating the total profit. Day 1 $75, day 2 $150, day 3 $421, and the day 4 it was $525. So you can see when I am doing the sum, 75 down 50, 421 and 525, so total profit is $1,100 in just 4 days. Just I am investing $100 in ETF, and I made in 4 days more than $1,000. So this is the analysis, and you can easily buy any ETF. Remember, trend is your friend. Always go to the ETF. Hype is coming. Do not invest against the market. Do not invest against the trend. If you invest wisely, you can easily get maximum return on your investment. So guys, all the information here is information purpose. Now it's your turn. Do your own research and invest in a good ETF and get maximum return. I will show you on the KuCoin that this analysis is real time, when I have invested and why, when I took the entry and when I close my position. As you can see, the SAND 3L still in trending. It is up more than 62% in last 24 hours. FTM is also doing good. Mana 3L, another metaverse coin, this is also booming and it is jumped to the 40. So let me show you. We have started and made more than $1,000, as you can also see in the Excel sheet, analysis sheet, but I want to show you the actual proof. So you can see this is the 1 day chart, and if we count down the candle, 1 2 3 4, so we took the entry at $24 here, $24.32, and after the day one, the close candle, you can see the closing point was $43.55, as I have showed you in the sheet, $42. On the very next day, it jumped to the $60. You can check the analysis, just go back. On the other day, on the 23, it jumped to the $130, and today it is above $165, but I closed my position on $150. So my investing amount was just $100, and in 4 days I made more than $1,000 by investing in the ETF on. So guys, always invest wisely, always invest in the trend, always don't FOMO by the trend, by the news. You can also follow the Mana 3L, SAND 3L, FTM 3L. They are the good watching. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Do your own research before investing. Have a great day. See you soon. Don't forget to share and hit the like button.